Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hardware graphics acceleration in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. And then on this left panel, you want to go down and select Options. Now on the left side, you want to select Advanced. And then on the right side, you want to just scroll down here where it says Display, Disable Slideshow Hardware Graphics Acceleration. You can check mark that if you want to disable the hardware graphics acceleration. And that's pretty much it. Older versions of PowerPoint may have slightly different language there, but that's pretty much the point. And then once you're done, just go ahead and select OK to save. And that's all you have to do. If you want to turn it off, if you want to enable it, just would check mark it or do the reverse, basically whatever it's telling you to do for the check mark, that's what you want to have set up. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.